Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome. It's a girl Zifis and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this wig done, okay, how I styled it and everything. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
So guys, I'm starting off with my wig cap, then my thread and my C needle. So I got 3 bundles of hair in 18 inches. Then this is how the closure looks like. The closure is also 18 inches. So this is how the closure looks like. It's a 4-part closure. This hair is from Millet Hair, guys. Check her out on Instagram. I went ahead to place my wig cap on my mannequin head, okay, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do this. I really wanted this video to be explicit, all right? So the part I indicated was where I was going to place my closure. So right now I'm trying to adjust it so that the middle part of the closure, the line that divides the closure into 2, is actually going to be in the middle of the mannequin head. So once I've done that, I go ahead to sew my closure down onto my wig cap. So guys, there's a part of your closure that has a double net. So when sewing your closure onto your wig cap, you actually sew that part which is doubled, not the single part of the closure, because it's going to tear up. So guys, I guess this view is better. So you guys are seeing the double part of the net, and I think that double part was created just because if you pass your needle through the single part of the net, it's going to tear up your closure very easily. Alright, so you want to be careful when sewing. Your needle should pass just through the part where you have a double net on the edge of your closure. So I'm just going to sew that right down through the edge of my wig cap. So we are done, guys, and this is how it looks. It is well placed. After sewing, you want to make sure the middle part is actually on the middle part of the mannequin head, so that looks good. So guys, my mannequin head was sliding, or would I say my wig cap was sliding on my mannequin head, so I went ahead to tape that down. So don't be shocked if you're seeing tape on my mannequin head. Okay, so right now to the serious part. Well, this part is actually very easy. You're just sewing the hair onto the wig cap, and you can do any stitch that works well for you, but it should be strong, okay? It shouldn't be weak because it's going to get loose with time. So guys, when sewing with your wig cap, you really need to be careful with the elastic band that you have on the edge of your wig cap, because that actually helps your wig enter your head easily. So when sewing, you don't sew and go through the material of that elastic band, because it's going to make it really hard for you to wear. It's going to make it stiff. So you want to just sew it on top of that elastic. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but yeah. So guys, I zoomed it a little bit so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So I'm at the elastic parts now, and when moving on to the next line, you want to be very careful. You want to sew that part that is going to bend, because I don't like cutting my my hair when sewing my wig, so I just bend it So that part is not supposed to be high, so you make sure you sew it so that it looks really flat. So guys, that's basically what I'm going to be doing throughout the video. If there is any need for explanation, I'm going to come back and explain to you, but for now, just sit down, watch and enjoy and learn. So guys, we're almost done with this. So this sewing this last part, you don't have to leave any holes. What I mean is you sew the hair that you have onto the closure that you sewed before, okay? So this is how it's supposed to look, guys. When you get the part of your closure, you just sew everything together. I just went ahead into my hair straightener. And I'm just trying to make the wig look more beautiful. Oh my god, I did that. It looks so cute. My god. So guys, that's basically it for this video. If this video was helpful, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Tell me your problems you have when sewing your wigs. Alright, see you guys in my next one. Bye.
But you know I never will. No.